Hello then. It is a very quiet weather story across South Asia at the moment. The satellite picture is hardly picking up any cloud, as you can see. This was Typhoon Galmegi making landfall across that east coast of Vietnam, and that seems to be sucking all the energy up in the atmosphere at the moment. The northeasterly monsoon very, very quiet. A lot of dry weather around. A few scattered showers through Sri Lanka and maybe across parts of the far south of India, but on the whole, that quiet story is set to continue. So with a lot of sunshine will come some warmth as well. Temperatures likely to peak into the low 30s. Now, we have seen heat across Central Asia just recently, but it's been a little on the cooler side in comparison as we go into the weekend. 19 degrees in Turkmenistan, a little bit more subdued and cooler to the north of Kazakhstan. A lot of dry weather to go with it, and eventually those temperatures will recover. Back down through Pakistan and into India. Here's that dry settled story. A few scattered showers through Tamil Nadu into Sri Lanka. Some of those heavy, possibly thundery, but elsewhere the emphasis is with that dry and settled theme. And that is going to continue as we go through the weekend and into next week. So temperatures gradually recovering across Central Asia, back into the mid-20s, perhaps through the middle part of the week. Plenty of sharp, thundery downpours for Sri Lanka. Dry, settled and sunny conditions elsewhere. Hello there. Let's take a look at the weather story for Africa then as we go through to the weekend. It's a north-south divide. As you can see, a lot of quiet, dry, settled weather to the north, but to the south of the equator, some pretty intense showers, and these will become more widespread across Johannesburg, Zimbabwe, Tanzania. And as you can see, to the north of Madagascar as well, we will see some heavier rain. That also extends towards parts of Nigeria, not looking too bad along that exposed west coast, but to the far north, it's largely fine and quiet. Maybe just the risk of a few scattered showers across the north coast of Algeria and Tunisia, tied in to an area of low pressure through the Mediterranean. So the story looks like this. Then Casablanca and Cairo keeping some sunshine. Eventually, those sharp showers in Lagos will ease into next week. Lusaka and Johannesburg, though, still staying pretty unsettled. Let's move over to the Middle East. No great surprises here to see. It will be largely fine and quiet, a little bit cooler close to the Caspian Sea, but on the whole, those temperatures perhaps into the low to mid 30s in one or two spots, and the winds will remain light as well. So there is going to be a lot of dry weather as we go into the start of the weekend and beyond. It looks likely to stay dry, settled, sunny and pleasantly warm with it as well. Enjoy.